What are your options in using Apple Pay in the Philippines? Honestly, not much, because Apple Pay is not supported by the local government just yet, so any local issue bank cards or credit card, debit card, whatnot are not supported. So what are your options? Either you use a different service altogether, or you find a foreign issued credit card or debit card. Now your options are very limited in terms of that because there are strict regulations around that, but there is one I have found. It is called the Wise multi-currency card. It's the most international debit card on the planet. So with the Wise card, you never have to worry about exchange rate markups or high transaction fees when you spend abroad. So this is basically just getting a debit card from the outer state, right? If you want to order your card, just tap on this button to order your card. After that, you will have to create your Wise account and go through the process. And then they'll bill you the actual card and then they'll mail you about it as well. And then when you get the card, you can add it to your Apple Pay here on the Philippines. So it doesn't matter. It's not really geo-locked. It's just bank locked, right? So it's not really geo-locked. You can still add it even though if you're in the Philippines. You just go to wallet here. And then on wallet, just tap on add a card here with your Wise card. And you just have to enter in all of your details there. After that, that's it. You're done.